Lumbajong VDC chairman loads CEM over direct funding. Dhan Singh Tiso denies any link in land dispute between Teron and Rongpi. A very good morning to all the viewers. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live News with Julie BP. Now let's move to the news in detail. Several number of people joined regional party, the Autonomous State Demand Committee, during the ASDC mass joining rally held in Hanjang Langsu on Thursday. The mass joining program was held at Hanjang Langsu Nihang Donsuri Playground and was attended by ASDC Central Committee President and ex-MLA Chandrakanta Terang, ex-CEM Jodson Bay, ex-MLA Hemsing Tiso, ex-KAAC Chairman Daniel Teron, ASDC Secretary Samuel Ronghang, KNCA President Merina BP, Secretary Kajek Tokbipi, KSA and ASDC Youth Front leaders and members. The program was chaired by ASDC Central Committee Vice President Sona Singh Terang and was assisted by ASDC Central Committee member Kamal Singh Bey. The purpose of the gathering was explained by ASDC Central Committee Finance in charge Sanjay Kiling. Over 2,000 people from opposition parties including Congress, APHLC, Garo and several Adivasi people were given warm welcome and were inducted into the party fold. PM Rajendra Rongpi was among one of the leaders who joined the regional party here on Thursday.
Congress ay tumalam jak, BJP tumalam jak, Sonsuri alam jak isinaw ta ke paplay pon thekhe apotsi Congress ay phaning ki thekhe adoine regional party bote ASDC alongsi jakong ke paok dunpe.
During the mass joining program, the regional party leaders, including ex-MLA Hemsing Tiso, ex-CEM Jodson Bay, narrated the history of ASDC and several important events related to statehood movement. Further, the ASDC leaders also came down heavily on the CPI-ML and the BJP party for their utter failures to deliver on their promises. The regional party also severely criticized J.I. Kathar, accusing him of misleading the people of the hill districts. The leaders urged upon the people of the area to strengthen the party and bring victory for the ASDC. Anantarang's report from Bokachan for Karbi Anglong Live. Lumbajong VDC chairman on Thursday felicitated Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang for playing crucial role towards fulfillment of the clauses of Memorandum of Settlement by constantly pursuing the matter. Lumbajong VDC chairman Vidya Singh Hanse, Lumbajong BJP Mandal Committee and polling station committee leaders along with party members numbering more than 400 supporters felicitated CEM Tuliram Ronghang at his official home in Dipu. The felicitating team lauded Team Karbi Anglong led by CEM Tuliram Ronghang for his leadership in convincing the central government towards implementing the one of important clause for direct funding of all centrally sponsored schemes to the KAAC. The schemes include NLCPR, AIBP, MOS package, Niti Aayog, Fifth Finance Commission and other schemes funded by the center in the 6 scheduled areas of the Northeast.
Prime Minister আমি টিম কাৰ্বি আংলং লগ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি দুবাৰ এপইণ্টমেণ্ট লৈছোঁ, দুবাৰো পাইছোঁ। মানে প্ৰথমটো মই যেতিয়া কংগ্ৰেছৰ শাসনৰ মূলত তেতিয়া ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাৰ জৰিয়তে মই প্ৰাইম মিনিষ্টাৰ আৰু সেই সময়ত আমি গোটেই টিমটো প্ৰায় 12জনমান লগ কৰি আহিছোঁ। বাকীখিনি তেতিয়া নম্বৰ 1 ইছ্যুতে অট'নমাছ ষ্টেট যে মই কৈ আহিছোঁ, ভাৱে কৈ আহিছোঁ যে অট'নমাছ ষ্টেট আমি বহুত দিনৰ পৰা ডিমাণ্ড কৰি আহিছোঁ, লং ষ্টেণ্ডিং ডিমাণ্ড সেইটো ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট কৰিব লাগে এজ পাৰ কনষ্টিটিউশ্যন অফ ইণ্ডিয়া। মই অলপ ব্ৰিফিঙো কৰিলোঁ যে still we have 10,404 square feet, including Dimhausa we have 14,000 square feet.
The VDC chairman and party members felicitated CEM Tuliram Ronghang with Karbi Poho. During the felicitation event, CEM also took time to clarify about the controversy surrounding Panchayati Raj and Sarpanch issue brought by opposition parties.
Ini itu dak CM bahan ya bang. CM bahan ya bang ya. Itu salah belum. Je non itu tim Karbing Long made itu CM tujuan mohang ke Japan. Dia itu apa namanya itu direct funding itu central kan itu scheme mana saya dak itu council se direct tangkap nandu itu direct funding loh. Lahai ninge karong ba ninge sing sampai sini itu Bajong Mondol Committee lo PS Committee lo ada judicial team lo tingkat do ko cingrum si ini itu sing CM Sarpan itu ning kating sam 10 lang lipan itu kartu pasti ini lang tingkat do ko cingrum.
News report Sarjib Kathar, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge of health, Khon Singh Rongpi visited Samuguri and held long interaction with local people of the area. EM Teron visit is part of his attempt to acquaint with the issue of the local people. A public meeting was held at Samuguri LP School office premise and was presided over by Kesak Nath. KAAC EM Khon Singh Rongpi, who attended the meeting as chief guest, was accompanied by ex-VDC Secretary Rakesh Togbi and several other BJYM party members. During the interaction, local people shared about the communication woes due to the appalling condition of the route, which according to the villagers were caused by heavy trucks carrying sand and other heavy materials. Local villagers also urged upon the elected representative to resolve the road problem through discussion with the sand holders. In addition to this, the villagers also discussed relating to irrigation. EM Rongpi informed the villagers that project would be completed within December.
Harot angkang ningka jithe Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ke Japan apan ke Karbi Anglong angkang sitame di tomning ke jithe CEM toleram rong hangsar ke Japan itu munit pen cingki cethan pen munit doma ki sung ke boy kichini Japan jitu ke bor I halason amai sidang nitum padupon apan ke nituma sarkar bangdet pen nafi nane ne ketangte duulang office itame keron ke bagalong kuan se cetang loma kuan se sitang teloma ke claim lang yang deng kuan doloma abelang ma aku laun so se sarkar kichi ting bon pen tata kisung ko son se ki pajok ponima ko lahai alam nang ke en hasini likiba.
Harsing Rongpi's report from Havarkehat, Karbi Anglong Live. SK Dhansing Tiso has denied any involvement or link in the land dispute that took place on November 13 at There village. SK Tiso said that the charges are completely untrue and baseless during a press conference held in Danarong. The press conference convened by SK Tiso was held at the IB in Danarong, during which he rejected any charges leveled against him during the land dispute that took place on November 13. Tiso said that he has been in service for more than 30 years but have never involved in any illegal process or activities.
Lason apoy ki pitar ke sida terangami akson situ nasi minduk dulu nasi mulus nongki itu he bisika carbo saya dong kan mili tu themode office ni tu mute thanata nasi da lam tu carbo saya dong mili men ki jongkol gitu duplicate apa ki bi tuge nili pilongle ngape nilu claim longle laso pulotan de alang tu office langsi office report langsi media kan hansi media thinglo nili kan apoy nang koy tap pistabe das nang koy nangi ngape non ke apa kebene ke koy tap ke media nilu lo kasi ini ada ni media thing press release bina ko ta.
He said that he was shocked and very disheartened over the false accusation against him. Tiso said that Manoj Rongpi and his family should have not made such an accusation against him. Bikram Theron's report from Danarong, Karbi Anglong Live. The Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Langhin unit held its first executive meeting. During the meeting, the BJP Youth Wing discussed various matters pertaining to the MLA elections to be held next year. Prior to the commencement of its meeting, the BJYM, led by its president Dhoniram Rongpi, hosted its flag in front of their office. The meeting began at 11 a.m. and was presided over by the Langhin BJYM president Dhoniram Rongpi and was attended by several other leaders including State Executive Member Purno Ronghang, BJYM East Karbi Anglong VP Jiten Bey, Langhin Mandal BJP President Sunil Kumar Boro, BJYM ex-secretary West Karbi Anglong Sukrosing Timong, Langhin VDC Secretary Krishna Basumatari, Roman Brahma, Kisan Morcha President Semsing Rongpi, among others. During the meeting, the BJYM held a long discussion relating to the next MLA election. The Langhin BJYM president urged upon its members to continue their effort towards strengthening its base in the area and to bring victory for the party in the next state assembly election. Sarpang Ring Tikatha's report from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.